Hello, everyone. My name is Piero Gabriel Medina Ataque, Jonathan, and I am Jonathan. Today is a special day because it is my mother's birthday and we are organizing a birthday party for her. Jonathan. Yes, we happy and excited because we want everything to turn perfect. Jonathan, what do you usually do in your daily routine? Jonathan, I usually wake up at 6:10 a.m. in Bruce Martin. I have breakfast and I go to university in the afternoon studying and health and home. What about you? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. in take and showers. I have breakfast and I go to university to and night in do homework and sometimes play guitar. Jonathan, that's so nice. What are you doing? Look for your mother baby. Right now I am cleaning the living room, decorating the house and building a chocolate cake. I am also cooking my family. Jonathan, great. I'm helping with the balloons, preparing snack and choosing music for the party. Are you making the birthday card now? Jonathan. Yes, I am writing a special messenger for your mother. That is very kind. Is your brother helping too, Jonathan? No, no. He is studying for an exam right now. What time is the party starting, Jonathan? The party the party is starting at 7 p.m. Yeah. Perfect. My mother loves surprise and this she's going to be very happy. Jonathan. Yes, here is we are preparing everything with love. Thank you is listening. Jonathan. Happy birthday, mom.